runner-up boy goes to candidate number 4, Paolo Arelo Perez. Palabakan natin si Paolo. Sir, ma'am, ito po ang mister. Kay Sir Junjun po ang mister. Okay. Palabakan natin ang ating second runner-up, Little Mister 2013, Cadela Salian. Cadela Salian 2013. Ako lang po ang maaalala yung host na hindi kaya i-pronounce ang tamang eskwelahan. Okay, for the second runner-up, Girls Division. Sino? Candidate number 3, Janelle Sanchez. Wow! Means to say, at candidate number 1 and candidate number 2 will fighting for the crown. And at candidate number 6 and candidate number 5 will be fighting to the crown, of course, para hilangin Little Mister Cadela Salian 2013. Tama! Yes! Kailangan mo mapelo ko eh. Okay, palabakan natin ang aking second runner-up. Ganito po yan. Pag hindi ko na napakatawanan ng ating, or nakapag-represent ang ating winner at ang ating first runner-up, ang ating second runner-up po ang gagawa ng tungkulin ng dalawa. O, parang pageant lang. Palabakan po natin si candidate number 3 at candidate number 4. Okay. So, samahan ko sila dito sa gilid. Okay, next. Boys muna ako, boys. My first runner-up for the boys division. Guys, kung sino po ang hindi ko tatawagin, siya ang ating Little Mister Cadela Salian 2013. First runner-up boy goes to candidate number 5, Gio Caldi Zamora. Meaning to say our Little Mister Cadela Salian 2013 is candidate number 6, Robert Yax Jesus. Ikaw yun. Alright. Hindi yung nako. Okay. Okay. Ayan. Ang aking first runner-up, he will be receiving a trophy and a sash. And of course, ang aking winner, a trophy, may sash, may cash prize worth of 1,000. Palapakan natin si candidate number 5, Gia, and candidate number 6, Grover Yaj. Okay. Ay, sorry. Cadela Salian. Kaya pa ako nag-practice. Okay. Who among these ladies won the crown? Sino ang gusto nyo? Okay. So first, dito muna tayo sa gilid na. Antayin natin yung nitong mismo. Ang tangka ng escort nitong dalawa. My first runner-up, meaning to say, ang hindi ko tatawagin, siya ang ating Little Miss Cadela Salian 2013. First runner-up, Girls Division, goes to candidate number 2, Lausiana Aguilar. Meaning to say, our Little Miss Cadela Salian 2013 is candidate number 1, Maria Jovel Bianzon. Ayan. na sila mag-transfer ng kanilang trono sa susunod na 2014 Little Mr. and Miss. Palapakan natin ang mga batong ko sa harapan. Come on. Palapakan natin ang ating Little sa mga nakikisaya dito ngayon sa ating 5th Foundation Day na there you have it, our little Mr. Candelasalia 2013 over Yash de Jesus, and little Miss Candelasalia 2013, Maria Javel Lianzon. Sa lahat ng mga gusto na picture sa taas, come on. Pwede kayong umakyat dito sa stage. Come on, come on. Bigyan mo naman part.
Let's sing it. Jesus, you are so good. Jesus, you are so good. There's nothing to fear, 'cause I'm here in your presence. Jesus, you are so good. Jesus, you are so, so good. I just want to thank